What's up, Pete? How's it going? I got something to show you. This is a shovel. This is a Polanski axe. This is a 1989 316 John Deere tractor. And this is enough dirt to crush a small child. Now, what do you do with enough dirt to crush a small child, you might ask? You build jumps. Dirt jump. You build dirt jumps.
Anyways, let's get to work. During the winter, the exposed dirt of the jumps are always eroded away, so I find it very important at the beginning of the spring to cover at least a bit of dirt on top of that layer. Even if I do have to rebuild it, it's not that labor intensive, it just takes a while. As the sun sets on this beautiful day, I realized one thing. I still have a lot more dirt and not a lot more work. But that's a future me problem, cause, well, shit. The problem with this trailer is the only thing holding the wheel on is a little pin, and when it inevitably rusts and breaks, the wheel pops off. So I sketchily jacked up the trailer with a ton of weight in it still, slapped the wheel back on, and called it a day. Aw, double shit. The trails are wet like that, driving a big heavy tractor through it, or a bunch of dirt, will put ruts in the ground. These ruts are a huge pain to get rid of, and they can be slightly dangerous while riding. But the next day, I said, good enough. So I got to work. And this landing didn't take too much time and used a good amount of dirt, but I still had a ton of dirt and not anywhere to put it. But after my amazing park job and putting dirt on this up ramp for the bridge, I decided it was too muddy, and this is a future me problem. Alright people, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I had a lot of fun making it, and I like this format of telling stories through pictures, and I really hope you enjoy this format as well. I hope to have more interesting videos like this out soon, and I once again hope you enjoyed the video and have an amazing rest of your day.